Hi there. This is a video that shows you how to get your Amazon order listing for, say, the last 6 months or so using a browser. Uh, so you start off by going up to the address bar and typing in Amazon.com and hit enter. And then you go over here to the page where it says accounts and lists, and you click on your account. And then you slide down a bit to ordering and shipping and shopping preferences, which is right here. And click on download order reports. And okay, the report item, the report, I'm going to get items, and I'm going to start with January 1, 2018 to uh, June 31st. I don't think it has 31. Okay. 2018. John order reports for now January through June 2018. Request a report. Okay. And okay. And then pretty soon then you'll get you get an email that says that your report has been generated. So that's all it takes. That's how you can get a report for your Amazon purchases for the last N months. Pretty simple, huh?